here in G1 once again, and then they're going down to the stairs. And then they're over there. You can see the white people. And then we're down the bridge. Nasa ibaba kami ng bridge. Under the bridge. Under the bridge.
Saan na Pescaw liya, oh?
Wala! Wala Pescaw! No, hindi Pescaw!
Sa ground lang,
Dalag! Dalag ba, sir? We're down on the bridge, and then we're having this is community because we're having juice. Dalag! You cannot see the fish on the ground. Instead, ang fish na stop water. Oh, madumi ang river. We're so sorry. Zamboanga is so poor. Dirty. So dirty. Okay, we're here. Okay, where are we going? Achoo, these are the houses in G1. Oh. Okay, we're here. What was it in English? Naghahanap kami ng client. At yun ang daw man stay. Kasi kita requirement. Here. Oo. Hala! Hindi ako sa gata. We're passing by the river. Ang nag-tour nga lang. Nag-tour lang tayo. There's a cat. What? Dalak gayot. Where? I want to see where? Halaya.
Sabay mo bilhin sinuguram din.
Cool, baka siya ni crocodile.
Crocodile.
Baka siya na ni crocodile.
Crocodile.
Oo, dito siya ka-client. Pinakanoy yung... Okay, bye everyone. We'll be right back.